Hi Lumineers, my name's Jamie Butler and I'm at the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. I wanted to talk again about sensitive and empathic people when we travel and we end up in these places that hold high energy and how to manage that. And one of the ways that you can contribute to ease this kind of high energy and tension is to say a blessing, a prayer, an intent, something that works for you. I just took a moment and addressed Father, Mother, God, who is what I resonate with. And please, if you have a religious belief, stick with that. What you believe in is your own truth. Address that. Ask for light to come in. Do a cleansing for the landscape where you are that holds this high energy. Ask for it to be released and give thanks to that land for holding that energy for whatever reason it was, and allow light to come into that space after you cleanse it. So let's contribute to these places by healing them and allowing the energy to recycle instead of just managing to get through it. Woo! It is high up here, guys. There's the beautiful San Fran behind me. I love you, Lumineers. Let's heal the world together. Take care. It's not woo-woo.